Vlad.D Electronics.
Hello. Today I am going to talk about the PSVIda project, that its objective is to control various development boards with our beloved PSVIta. Like the boards of the Arduino family. Like Arduino Uno, Connect, Nano and Mega. Also Raspberry Pi, Raspberry Pi Zero and Pico boards. Also without forgetting EP32 and 8266 respectively. And what can be done with our PSVIda? During the past year I have been creating various projects. The first one was this car controlled with our PSVIda, and this was the last one, the LCD car VIDA project. Also control various screens with the MAX 7219 and RGB LEDs. The project is versatile. The idea is that with our PSVIda we create our own projects. It is also possible to control robots. Here a preview of a robot that we will have a video soon, and of our robotic arm that there is also a video of it. I also did various test projects where stepper motors and robotic claws were tested. Also DC motors, and I even watered the plants with our PSVIda with the VitaPlant project. Also obviously home automation to control lights or some other device. I can control all the boards individually, and I am going to give you a surprise, because I can also control them all at the same time. Here is a small example. And well, the project is still in development. I am the only one behind this project. I am the one who programmed the plates, the programming of the Vita, and I have the ideas and I edit the videos. So be patient, because each board is also different, and the first thing I'm going to ask you is to share the project, give a like and all that, and not just this video, which is the most important, where I'm giving the project the green light, also to the list of previous projects. Also throughout this year every month I will upload new advances. And new projects about the PSVIda project. Later I will see how the environment is to upload the codes and programs of the Vita, so help by sharing, and well that's all from me, and thank you for supporting this projects.